AIRAJ Ratchet PVC Pipe Cutter, cuts up to 2/2 PEX, PVC, PPR and plastic hoses, pipe cutters with sharp SK5 stainless steel blades, suitable for home repairs and plumbers. High quality. The durable tube cutter is made of manganese steel and high quality aluminum alloy that is high hardness, good toughness, strength and durable, not easily to rust. Libraton PVC Cutter 1/5/8 PVC Pipe Cutter, Ratcheting PVC Cutter with replacement blade, Plastic Pipe Cutter, ABS Cutter for PVC, PEX PPR plastic pipes, hoses, and plumbing pipes. The Libraton PVC Pipe Cutter body is made of durable hardness aluminum alloy steel. IWISS Solar PV Panel Crimping Tool Kit with wire cutter spanner and connectors. MC4 Crimper tool works for AWG 1410,2.5/4/6 of a square millimeter. Purpose: Solar Panel Crimping Tool Kit is designed to facilitate the installation and maintenance of solar panels. It includes a variety of tools to make installing and maintaining solar panels quick and easy. Weather Pack Crimpers, Newdeli Crimp Tool AWG 1424 for crimping. Delphi Active Weather Pack Terminals or Metri Pack connectors have locator and removal extraction tool. Weather Pack Crimp Tool features 3 crimp zones clearly marked with wire gauges AWG 2414, 3 different crimp zones for the most common size automotive wires. Crimping Range, Crimp Tool is suitable for crimping Delphi Weather Pack or Metri Pack terminals or connectors. The thick 2.5mm blade used is SK5 material with precision sharpened and Teflon coated. Sturdy construction and big size, suitable for heavy-duty use. Widely application. The ratcheting PVC cutter is designed up to 1 5/8 inch, 42mm, outer diameter capacity, ideal for use to cut a variety of plastic pipe. Complete Solar Crimp Tool Kit. Each LY2546B solar crimping tool set comes with one LY2546B solar crimper, 1 wire shear cutter, a pair of MC4 connector wrench, 4 pairs of MC4 connectors as well as a canvas bag.